I will be sharing with you my secret on how to achieve a flawless look on a dark skin. Hey lovelies, welcome to my channel. If this is your first time of watching my video, you're welcome. So first, I use micellar water and wipes with no alcohol to clean the face and remove dirt. And I went ahead to use my hydrating spray, that's Mario skin spray, to hydrate the face and give it enough moisture. And I massaged it into her skin, and after that I used my fan to dry out the product. For skin prep application, I use a very flat brush to apply my skin prep, and I applied my all-in-one snail mucin cream from Blossom. This moisturizer is a very good. I recommend because it nourishes the skin and repairs damaged skin. After that, I went ahead to use Aqua Grip primer. I applied it on the T-zones. After that, I used Vaseline lip balm to moisturize the lids. For foundation, I used Sylvimak foundation in the shade Rich Truffle. Like, look at that match, guys. This particular foundation matches our skin tone, and I'm not leaving Sylvimak anytime soon because it gives this full coverage. And what else do I want in a foundation? I just love the product. Sylvimak, I recommend. Blend. Don't get tired of blending your foundation. So for a good foundation application, make sure you use a damp beauty sponge. I noticed my client has some dark spot on her forehead, so I did a lot of color correcting just to even out her skin before applying the foundation properly. Look at that skin. I mean, look at that skin match. I love dark skin. I used a pink shade from my Blossom lip palette to apply blush on her cheekbone, the bridge of her nose, to give the face some depth. I just don't know how to say it, but I love blush. For concealer, I used Avour concealer, just one shade lighter than her skin tone, and I applied it in the outer corner of her eye, the inner corner of her eye, and then the bridge of her nose.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away, cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Gotta build up of my thoughts sitting in an ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay. Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way.
After applying the concealer, I went in with my powder, just one shade lighter than her skin, to apply it on the highlighted areas. For the nose contour, I used a powder 2 shades darker than the skin tone to contour the nose. I used Merak powder in the shade Curry to set the under eyes. After that, I used a powder same shade with her skin tone to apply it all over the face. For eyeshadow application, I used my clown white to apply it first on the eyelid, and then I blended it very well. I blended it out to avoid harsh lines. If you're still here to this point, please do well to like this video, subscribe to my channel, turn on the notification bell to be the first to see our video whenever we post it. Enjoy the rest of the video.
Trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away. As you fade away. I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. You're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes.
I used the brown and the pink shade from my imagic lip palette. I used the brown to sculpt her lips.
As you fade away.
So after blending the lips, I went in with a little of orange lip stain to make the lip pop out a little bit because I didn't want much of the pink on the lips. I used a fluffy brush to blend out the powder on the under eyes, just gently so you won't wipe out any product, and then I set the face with my green tea setting spray. Of course, dry out all product. I used the blush from my tehilla to give the face some depth. I told you guys I love blush. Yes, so I applied it gently. You know, this is a cream blush. I applied it gently, just gently, and do not pack too much product at a time. Just little go along with. And then I highlighted the face.
Tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. Guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile.
I used my all-nighter spray from Ferrarucci to seal the face so that the makeup doesn't move. And this is what we have, guys. Look at that look. Look at that eye lift. I love this look. I enjoyed creating this look. Let me know what you like about this look. Please subscribe to my channel, like this video. See you guys in my next video. Bye.